Mir Aamir Ali Khan Magsi, Urdu, EI Graph 1919 Graph.fe Macron 3 I Graph, born 27 December 1960 is a Pakistani politician who has been a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan since August 2018. Previously he was a member of the National Assembly from 2008 to May 2018. Early life. He was born on 27 December 1960. Political career. He was elected to the National Assembly of Pakistan as a candidate of Pakistan People's Party (PPP) from constituency No. 206, Kamar Shadadkat, in Pakistani general election, 2008. He received 49,524 votes and defeated Nawab Zada Sardar Khan Chandio, a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League (Q). PMLQ. He was re-elected to the National Assembly as a candidate of PPP from constituency No. 206, Kamar Shadadkat, in Pakistani general election, 2013. He received 87,789 votes and defeated Asir Shah Rashdi, a candidate of Sindh United Party. In the same election, he ran for the seat of the Provincial Assembly of Sindh as an independent candidate from constituency PS40, Larkana Vi, but was unsuccessful. He received 132 votes and lost the seat to Mir Aamir Ali Khan Magsi. He was re-elected to the National Assembly as a candidate of PPP from constituency No. 203, Kamar Shadadkat in Pakistani general election, 2018. References